Can I deposit checks with Novo? Let's dive in. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question that a lot of you freelancers, consultants, and side hustlers out there might be wondering: can you deposit checks with Novo? Now, in today's increasingly digital world, many of us are moving towards online-only banking solutions. But what happens when you still get the occasional paper check? Can these new, tech-savvy banks handle old-school deposits? Well, that's exactly what we're here to find out today. So, whether you're considering switching to Novo or you're a current user with a check burning a hole in your pocket, let's dive into the details. Understanding Novo. Before we jump straight into check deposits, let's take a quick step back and understand what Novo is all about. Launched in 2016, Novo is a mobile-first banking platform designed specifically for freelancers and independent contractors. They offer a suite of features that cater to this specific audience, including invoicing tools, expense tracking, and integrations with popular accounting software. But what about the more traditional banking aspects, like check deposits? The reality of check deposits with Novo. Alright, let's get down to business. Here's the short answer: Novo currently does not offer any built-in functionality for depositing physical checks. This means you won't find a mobile check deposit option within their app, nor do they have any physical branches where you can walk in and make a deposit. This might seem like a deal breaker for some, especially those who rely heavily on checks as a payment method. But fear not, there are still a couple of workarounds you can consider. Workaround 1: partnering with a traditional bank. The most straightforward solution is to maintain a separate account with a traditional bank that allows for mobile or in-person check deposits. This way, you can continue to receive checks and deposit them seamlessly while still enjoying the benefits of Novo's features for managing your freelance income. Now, some of you might be thinking, isn't the whole point of using a platform like Novo to consolidate my finances? That's a valid concern. While maintaining two accounts might not be ideal, consider the number of checks you typically receive. If it's just a handful per year, the minor inconvenience might be worth the trade-off for the advantages Novo offers. Workaround 2: third-party check cashing services. Another option is to utilize third-party check cashing services. These services, often found at convenience stores or dedicated check cashing stores, allow you to deposit your check and receive the funds, typically for a small fee. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind here. First, the fees associated with check cashing can vary depending on the service provider and the amount of the check. Second, be sure to check the legitimacy of any check cashing service before using them. Considering the alternatives. Of course, with the limitations of check deposits at Novo, it's worth exploring some alternatives altogether. Online payment platforms, many freelance platforms, and marketplaces offer built-in payment processing features. This allows clients to pay you directly through the platform, eliminating the need for checks altogether. Direct deposit: if you have recurring clients, consider requesting direct deposit as a payment method. This is a secure and convenient way to receive your income electronically. ACH transfers: ACH transfers allow for electronic transfers between bank accounts. If your client is comfortable with online banking, this could be a faster and more efficient way to receive payments. The future of check deposits at Novo. While Novo doesn't currently offer check deposit functionality, it's always worth keeping an eye on future developments. The financial technology landscape is constantly evolving, and Novo might introduce check deposit features in the future. They might partner with other banks to enable remote deposits, or they could even develop their own mobile deposit solution. For the latest updates, be sure to check Novo's official website and social media channels. So, there you have it. While Novo doesn't allow for direct check deposits at the moment, there are still ways to manage your check-based income effectively. Consider partnering with a traditional bank, utilizing check cashing services with caution, or exploring alternative payment methods altogether. Ultimately, the best approach depends on your individual needs and preferences.